everyone, this is Amelia from the Ellenville Public Library and Museum, and this is today's craft with me. So today is World Oceans Day, and as we know, plastic pollution is a problem in the ocean, so this is a way to recycle plastic bottles. So take a plastic bottle, some water, and clear oil. You can use baby oil or another clear oil like vegetable oil for this. And you will also need either food coloring, or this is actually colorant for soap. You can also use some acrylic paint to color your water, but that'll make it cloudy. Okay, first take your water bottle and fill it part of the way with water. Next, take some of your colorant, this is blue, and drop it into the water. I'm going to add a little bit of yellow to make it more greenish. Gonna cap it and shake it up. You can see it's a really nice blue color. Next, I'm going to take my clear oil and squirt it into the water bottle. Okay, so as you can see, once I put this cap on, what happens is the oil separates from the colored water, and it creates an ocean effect in your bottle. This is really fun to watch, and it can be very soothing too. No matter how hard you shake it up, it will settle back into two distinct layers. It just might take a little while. Okay guys, thank you for coming to craft with me today. So, as always, please stay safe, stay healthy, and be good to each other. I'll see you all next time. Bye!